What's up, y'all? In this video I'm going to show you how to put together this pretty cool little mini greenhouse for your garden. I'm going to use 6 windows that I picked up over the years, and I'm also going to use some corner braces and hinges along with some weather strip, possibly some caulk as well. Now, my windows weren't all the same size, so I did have to shave a couple of them. I don't think this is really something you should have to do as long as you have 6 windows that are pretty much the same size. At this point, I'm going to use my corner braces and connect all corners of the sides. So we got a total of 8 corner braces altogether. So we got all our corner braces in. Everything looks pretty good. Should hold up against any elements or critters roaming around. So I have one of the windows that I had to shave on top here, and when I went to put my hinges on, realized I was running into the glass. So I had to pull that out and just use a couple strips of wood to make a little bit of a spacer. Also, what I did here was to use a longer screw in the corners of the side that wasn't going to open, so I can connect the top to the sides. Then I use the same screws to put into the back side. This should give me a pretty solid structure. Now I'm pretty much just on to some final touches. Just pretty much added some weather stripping here and there to keep out some of the cold. Pretty much just on the side that it opens and closes on. Used a strip of Gorilla Tape over the top. Then added some caulk into any of the larger gaps. Look, y'all, if you got this far in the video, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. I'd also like to offer up a quick apology for how stupid my voice sounds. So this is what it looks like on a nice day. Fast forward a couple of weeks and we're in the middle of April and got snow, so it's coming in handy right now. So if you're pressed for space inside, you can put something like this together and have something going. Thanks for checking out the video. Please subscribe, maybe check out a few other videos. Thanks for watching.